Beyrouthi from FS Securities, giving you the market report for Wednesday morning, the 24th of April 2019. The S&P 500 index was on track for an all-time high as big US companies began turning in solid results for the first quarter. Some Federal Reserve policymakers seem resigned to running a heightened risk of asset bubbles and other financial excesses as they seek to keep the economic expansion going. And getting under the thumb of Mr. Trump. On Wall Street, the Dow was up 0.6%, the S&P 500 was up 0.9%, and the Nasdaq was up 1.2%. In New York, BHP was down 0.6%, however, Rio was up 0.2%. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index, which comprises most major European markets, was up 0.1%, and the FTSE in London was up 0.8%, and the DAX in Germany was up 0.1%. The ASX 200 index yesterday had a beautiful day, 59 points rise, or nearly 1%, to 6,319. Our charts telling us that the market will continue to go higher, and we might meet the 6,370 or 60, which is the high point when we saw the market rose before the Christmas period. And of course, before the Christmas, the market dropped nearly 13%, and now it recovered most of it. Best performing stock yesterday was Worley, 3.4% higher. Santos was up 3.1%, and the worst performing stock was Newcrest Mines, down 1.4%, followed by Telstra, down 0.6%. Telstra, by the way, was down 2 cents to $3.39. By the way, Telstra is ready now to roll out the 5G ahead of all the competitors. So I think that's where Telstra is going to gain some strength and market advantage. And by the way, in Japan, the Nikkei yesterday was up 0.2%, and in China, the Shanghai index was down 0.2%. Gold, 1,272, that's US per ounce. Remember, it was well above 1,300 some time ago, a few months ago. West Texas crude oil up 1.1% to $66.25 US per barrel. Iron ore was almost steady at 94.5 US per ton. Aluminium was down 0.1% and copper was down 1.1%. The ASX 200, that's the futures, is set to open higher as US market had a muted day of trading, with many key markets still closed for Easter. The SPI futures up 22 points to 6,331. The Australian dollar was down slightly to 71.01 US, 63.3 euro cents, 54.9 British pence, and 106 New Zealand. Bitcoin was trading at 5,538 US, up 150 US from this time yesterday, and that will convert to approximately 7,800 Australian dollars, up 255 Australian dollars. And that is all from us here at FS Securities. Please trade safely and wisely, and have a fantastic day.